Hi friends, Cole Chance here. Good morning. Just wanted to do a quick energizing flow, little coffee cup yoga sequence. So let's start on the back. That's often how we're feeling in the morning. So just go ahead and lay down. Let's bring the legs out in a Shavasana pose. Palms are up, body's heavy. Just a couple rounds of breath here. So beginning to connect with the inhale and the exhale. And then in a moment, we'll just move with that breath. So one more inhale here. Release out the mouth. And then inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, let them come down. Bring the feet to the ground. And then inhale, lift the arms up, lift the hips up as well. So we're standing into the feet. And then exhale, roll the spine down, vertebrae by vertebrae. Again, like this, rolling bridge. Inhale, lift. So you're on the feet and on the shoulders. And then exhale, begin to come down. One more like this. Inhale, waking up the spine. And exhale, folding down. Let's bring the knees into the chest for a moment. Sway side to side. And let's take a happy baby right here in the beginning. Wonder what it's like to start the day with a happy baby. Grab the outside of the feet and then lift the feet up. And we're gonna pull down at the same time as you're kicking up into the feet. So that makes it more active. So pulling down and kicking up and maybe swaying side to side here as well. Getting right into the hips to start the day. And then bring the knees back into the chest and we'll rock and roll up and down the spine a few times. And then coming up into a seated pose. So reorient yourself. Roll the shoulders up and back a few times. And inhale, open the eyes, lift the arms up, gaze up. And exhale, draw the hands to heart center, pressing actively the hands into one another. And then inhale, lift, gather everything up. And exhale, draw the hands down. And once more like this. Inhale, lift. And exhale, let's take a twist to the right. Left hand comes to the knee, right hand comes behind, gazing over the shoulder. Inhale, lift through the crown of the head, make more space between the ribs and the hips, and then exhale, twist. Once more like this. Inhale. And twist. Let's take the right hand all the way over and take it to the knee so the arms are crossed in front of the body. Let's round the back, tuck the chin into the chest, and take a moment here to shake the head, yes and no. Begin to come up. We're going to take eagle arms. So the backs of the hands can meet or the fronts of the hands. And we'll move with breath again. Inhale, lift the arms. And exhale, round the back, bring the elbows to the belly. Again, inhale, lift. And exhale, bring it down. Once more, inhale, lift. And exhale, bring it down. Unwind the arms. Take the hands behind the back. The fingertips will go towards your hips. Let's plant the feet. We're gonna push into the hands and the feet and lift the hips up, altar pose. Exhale, drop the head back. If that feels okay, inhale, push again into the feet and the hands. And then exhale, come back down. Maybe switching the cross of the legs now. So whichever side feels a little strange would be that side. Again, inhale, lift the arms, gaze up. Exhale, draw the hands down slowly like you're moving through thick air. Once more, inhale, push and lift up, and we'll twist to the left. Right hand goes to the left knee, left hand goes behind. Inhale, grow the spine, and exhale, twist. Twice more like that with breath. Inhale, find space. And exhale, we use it. And again, inhale. And twist. So we're gonna cross the arms now. Leave the right hand where it is. Take the left hand to the right knee. Round the back, tuck the chin. Take a couple rounds of breath here. And then inhale, moving up, eagle arms. Backs of the hands touch or fronts of the hands. Move the elbows away from the heart. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, fold down. Twice more. Just breathing and moving. Oxygenating the body. Ooh. And moving. Simple, breathing and moving. Inhale, the arms come up. And exhale again, altar pose, plant the hands, fingertips coming towards the hips, plant the feet, push and lift, altar pose. Maybe the head comes back on the exhale. Inhale, push and lift. And exhale, sink the hips down. Cross the ankles, plant the hands in front, and we'll move into downward dog. Pedal out the feet here, so bending one knee generously and sending the opposite heel down and then doing the other. And then find stillness for just a moment. Lift the right leg up behind, bend the knee, and just take some gentle hip circles here. You might be having quite a few creaks and cracks here, so just finding some movement. And then placing the foot back down. Let's try the left side, lift it up. Bend the knee, open the hip. Notice the difference on each side. Oop, there I got a crack. And place the foot down. Let's come down onto the knees, drop the belly, bring the heart forward, gaze up, cow pose. Exhale, push the ground away, cat pose. Tuck the chin. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, begin to lift the knees, send the hips back, downward facing dog. Let's walk the feet towards the hands. Grab opposite elbows, the feet can be hips distance, bend the knees so the belly comes down to the thighs, and sway side to side, sending the hips side to side. Drop the arms, tuck the chin, and slowly, with several rounds of breath, we'll push down into the feet as we lift up. So let the torso be really heavy. And even here you can sway, it feels really nice. I like to lift one shoulder and then the other, kind of like a zombie coming up. Feels really good on the muscles on the sides of the spine. We slowly come up to stand. Roll the shoulders back, bring the head on top of the spine. Bring the hands together, push the palms into one another, close the eyes down, and just take a moment here to reorient. Exhale, pushing actively down into the feet, and inhale, lifting through the crown of the head. Again, exhale down through the feet. Inhale, lift through the crown of the head. Inhale, lift the arms up, and exhale, fold all the way down. Inhale, halfway lift. You can take the hands to the knees, a little bit of cobra in the back. And exhale, plant the hands. Step back with the right foot. We're going to plant the right heel. Open the arms up into warrior two. So be gentle with yourself here. You don't have to bend the front leg too far. We're just kind of sinking in a little bit. So move a little bit with the breath. Inhale, and then exhale, sink. Inhale. And exhale, sink, just opening up the hips once more. Inhale and exhale, flip the front palm. Inhale, come all the way back, reverse warrior. And then exhale, plant the hands. Let's step the right foot up to meet the left. Hands on the shins, inhale, halfway lift, a little bit of cobra in the back. And exhale, fold. Let's step back with the left foot. Same thing here. Drop the back heel, open up the arms, and exhale, sink down. Twice more. Inhale, lift, and exhale, sink. Once more. Inhale, and exhale, sink. Inhale, reverse warrior. Come up and back. Big side body stretch. And exhale, bring the hands all the way back down. Let's step the left foot up to meet the right. Inhale, hands to shins, halfway lift, shoulders away from ears. And exhale, fold forward. Let's roll the spine all the way up to standing. And exhale, mountain pose. Couple rounds of breath here just to notice the feeling, the vibrations and actions in the body that come when we begin to move. I'm feeling a little bit more awake here. And let's step back with the right foot into goddess pose. So bring the toes out, the heels in, and we'll bend the knees down. You can just sway side to side here. So in the morning, we're not really worried too much about alignment. We're just wanting to get some movement and some opening in the body. Let's take the hands to the knees. Maybe you start to sink the hips a little bit lower. And exhale, let's drop the right shoulder down, gazing over the left shoulder. Inhale back to center. And exhale to the other side. Maybe you start to bend the elbows as you move. Inhale, center. And exhale. Once more each side. To really feel the opening in the inner thighs. And once more to the left. Begin to straighten the legs. Now we'll just switch the feet, turning the heels out, the toes in slightly. Take the hands to the hips. We'll gently move the hips forward, begin to gaze up, slight back bend here. Inhale. And exhale. Stick the booty out, begin to fold all the way forward. Plant the hands onto the ground and drop the head. The knees can be bent a little bit if you'd like. If that feels more supportive, maybe you walk the hands back in between the feet. Maybe you bend in one leg and then the other and kind of sway side to side here. Just looking for any opportunity to make a little more space here. Take the right hand right under the gaze and push the ground away so the arm is straight. On an inhale, we'll draw that left arm up and take a twist, gazing up towards the fingertips. Lean back slightly in the shoulders to give yourself a little more space to spiral the heart open. One more inhale here. And exhale, we'll switch sides. The left hand comes underneath the gaze. The right hand slowly begins to peel the heart open, gazing up at the right thumb. Lean slightly back into the shoulders, spiral the heart open. One more big inhale. And exhale, fold down. Begin to walk the feet back in. Bend the knees, sink the hips low. And we'll just come back into a seat. Take the soles of the feet together, Baddha Konasana. Grab the ankles. Roll the shoulders back, bring the heart forward, gaze up. And exhale, fold forward. Maybe you reach the arms out. Wherever you are, let the neck hang. So maybe the head comes into the hands, maybe the forehead meets a block, or you just let the head hang, opening up the muscles on the back of the spine, back of the neck. Slowly roll the torso back up and take a seat. Close the eyes down. Bring the heart slightly forward. Open up the collarbones. Sink the shoulder blades down the back so you have more space between the ears and the shoulders. And the crown of the head lifts up. Just take a moment to notice the energies in the body. Checking back in with the breath. And thank yourself for showing up today. This is one of the best ways to start the day, to set the stage for a beautiful day, is to give some attention to your breath, give some attention to your body. And in the morning, make that connection, check in with a relationship with yourself. Let's bring the hands together, the thumbs at the third eye. And we bow forward to seal our practice, and together we say, Namaste. Thank you all so much for joining me and allowing me to be part of your practice. I would love to connect live. I'm traveling all over the place, so check out my website, kolchanceyoga.com. Maybe I'll be in your area or come and see me. I think that's all. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time on your mat. Peace.